Good morning, student. Today, part 2 differentiation. We are going to start derivative of composite function. What is composite function? Suppose there is two function u equals to gx, derivable at x, and y equals to gu, derivable at u. Two function is there. Then you can write dy by dx, dy by du, this into du by dx. What is this? Is u equals to gx. So du by dx equals to g dash x, and here dy by du equals to g dash u. Therefore, dy by dx is g dash u, this, and du by dx, this one, equals to g dash x. That is the composite function of x. Now, let us do a few sum. Let y equals to sine square 3x minus 2. Here dy by dx equals to, power will come first, 2 sine 3x minus 2 into dot sine this derivative cos of 3x minus 2 dot. Now this chain rule, first this one, then sine, this is treated as x, sine x derivative cos x, then this 3x minus 2 derivative into 3, that is 6 sine 3x minus 2 cos 3x minus 2. That is the answer. You can write 6 means 3 into 2, that is 3. 2 sine A cos B, that is sine 2A. 2 sine A cos sine 2A, 2 into 3x minus 2, that is 3 sine 6x minus 4. That is the answer. Next, sum number 2. Sum number 2, y equals to tan x e to the power x. Differentiating respect to x, this is treated as tan x. Then dy by dx equal to tan x derivative sec square x. Sec square x e to the power x. Then this uv, x constant, e to the x derivative e to the power x plus e to the power x constant x derivative 1. Then sec square x e to the power x, x e to the power x plus e to the power x. We can take e to the power x common here. E to the power x sec square x e to the power x, x plus 1. That is the simplified form. Next, sum number 3. Y equals to log of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2, show that dy by dx minus sec x equals to 0. So y equals to this, we have to prove this. Now, differentiating respect to x, dy by dx, log of this, log x derivative, 1 by x, that is 1 by tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 then tan x এর derivative cos log treated as x, then tan x এর derivative sec square pi by 4 plus x by 2, then tan x, then this one chain rule, pi by 4 means 0 plus x by 2 half, cos log, this treated log x এর derivative 1 by x, then tan x এর derivative sec square x, then this pi by 4 derivative 0, x by 2 derivative half, that is tan x derivative sec square, tan x derivative sec square x, that is 1 by tan means cot, that is cos pi by 4 plus x by 2 by sin pi by 4 plus x by 2, 1 by tan means cot, sec square means 1 by cos square, that is cos square pi by 4 plus x by 2 into 1 by 2, that is 2 will come here, then this and square will be cancelled, that is 1 by 2 sin a cos a, that is sin 2a, that is sin 2 sin a cos a sin 2a, 2 sin pi by 4 plus x by 2, 2 sin a cos a sin 2a, that is 1 by sin 2a, 1 by sin 2 into pi by 4 means pi by 2 plus x, sin 90 plus theta is cos theta, that is 1 by cos x, that is sec x. So dy by dx equal to sec x, therefore dy by dx minus sec x equal to 0, proved. Sum number 4. Next, y equals to e to the power x, y equals to e to the power x log tan 2x, log of tan 2x. Here y equals to e to the power x, this is product derivative. So dy by differentiating respect to x, dy by dx e to the power x constant log tan 2x, it is treated as x, log x derivative 1 by tan 2x into tan 2x derivative by chain rule sec square, tan x derivative sec square 2x into, for 2x only 2, plus log of tan 2x constant e to the power x derivative e to the power x. So here sec square money means 1 by cos square, that is e to the power x, 1 by tan means cot 2x, that is cos 2x by sin 2x into 1 by cos square 2x into 2, that is 2 is here, plus e to the power x log of tan 2x. Cos 2x and cos square 2x cancel, you can write this is 4, 2, you can write 2 sin a cos a, that is sin 2a, that is 4 e to the power x sin 4x, 2 sin a cos a sin 2a sin 4x plus e to the power x log of tan 2x. So you can take e to the power x common, this is your simplified form. Next, sum number 5. Y equals to, this is very good sum. Here y equals to root over 1 minus x over 1 plus x. We have to prove that 1 minus x square dy by dx plus y equals to 0. First we have to rationalize it. we can write 1 minus x numerator denominator, then y equals to 1 minus x by root over of 1 minus x square. Now 1 minus x is coming here, root over of 1 minus x square into y equals to this. Now differentiating uv respect to x, root over of 1 minus x square constant, dy by dx plus y constant, the derivative of this is 1 by 2 root over of 1 minus x square into minus 2x. Derivative of uv finished equals to 0 minus 1. Now these two also cancelled. Now 1 minus x square root over of 1 minus x square is LCM, adding it is 1 minus x square dy by dx minus xy equals to minus 1, implies 1 minus x square dy by dx minus xy equals to minus root over of 1 minus x square. Then xy coming right hand side, this will be xy minus this. We have to prove value of this, we got this. Now putting LHS 1 minus x square dy by dx, value of y is this. Y is 1 minus x by root over of 1 minus x square. Value of y, this dy by dx, LHS, value of y is this. This is 0. Value of this we got xy minus root over of 1 minus x square plus 1 minus x by root over of 1 minus x square, LHS, equals to y, value of y you know, y is 1 minus x by root over of 1 minus x square, x into y value minus this xy, x into y minus this plus y value this. Okay, now here this minus this, value of this is xy minus this plus value of y from here this. Now adding and subtraction, root over of 1 minus x square LCM, this divided by this is that is 1 minus x into x minus this is 1 minus x square plus 1 minus x. Now simplify it, that is x minus x square minus 1 plus x square plus 1, this is minus x plus 1 minus x over root over of 1 minus x square, that is minus x plus x, that is 0. That is right hand side. Next, sum number 6. Y equals to square root of 1 minus tan x over 1 plus tan x. We can write 1 root over of tan pi by 4 minus tan x. We can write tan x into 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x equals to square root of tan a minus tan b, 1 plus tan b, that is tan pi by 4 minus x. Now you have to prove some number 1 minus tan x y equal to this. Then y square equals to tan pi by 4 minus x. We can squaring y equals to this. Y equals to this, then y square is then differentiate respect to x. 2y dy by dx equals to sec square pi by 4 minus x into minus 1. X derivative 1. Then dy by dx equals to, we have to find the differential, we have to find dy by dx equals to 6 minus sec square pi by 4 minus x over 2 into y. Value of y is root over of tan pi by 4 minus x. That is the answer. Next, number 7. Y equals to log of x plus root over of x square minus a square. You have to differentiate with respect to x. Then dy by dx. You also be treated as log x is derivative 1 by x. That is 1 by x plus root over of x square minus a square. Then derivative of this. X derivative 1 plus root over of this derivative 1 by 2 root over of x square minus a square. Then x square derivative 2x. 2 cancel. That is 1 by x plus root over of x square minus a square. Adding this root over of x square minus a square LCM, this will be x plus root over of x square minus a square. This coming again, this plus this. Then this and this will be cancelled. That is 1 by root over of x square minus a square. Answer. Next, sum number 8. Y equals to x plus root over of x square minus 1 whole to the power m. Prove that x square minus 1 dy by dx whole square equals to m square y square. This is very good sum. First we have to derivative it. So dy by dx power will come again m x plus root over of x square minus 1 whole to the power m minus 1. Then inner derivative 1 plus 1 by 2 root over of x square minus 1. This plus this is derivative into 2x. These two cancel. That is m x plus root over of x square minus 1 into m minus 1. That is x plus root over of x square minus 1 by root over of x square minus 1. That is m. This into this power is 1. That is m square minus 1 plus that's only m square. M into x plus root over of x square minus 1 whole to the power m by root over of x square minus 1. Value of this is y. We know that is equals to my by root over of x square minus 1. So dy by dx is this. So dy by dx এর whole square equals to m square y square by x square minus 1. Squaring this, then x square minus 1 coming right left portion, x square minus 1 is this, which has to be proved. Now it is proved. Okay, in next class we shall explain from sum number 9 part 2 another exercise. Thank you.